Triumph is making another splash in the world of modern retro motorcycles. This time, it's the Thruxton series' turn to get a new twist, and the result is the Triumph Thruxton 400. This bike isn't just a smaller version of its 1,200 cubic centimeters big brother, but is truly designed to open the doors of the cafe racer world to more riders. Let's take a look at its design, performance, and potential presence in the global market. A visual comparison of the Speed 400, Scrambler 400X, and Thruxton 400. Narrator. Introduced first for the Indian market, the Thruxton 400 joins Triumph's 400 cubic centimeters lineup, which already includes the Speed 400 and Scrambler 400X. Triumph utilizes the same engine platform, but with a strong cafe racer style. This allows them to combine classic sporty character, agile handling, and a relatively affordable price compared to the larger Thruxton series. The Thruxton 400's design is directly inspired by 1960s road racing. The classic round headlight, sleek knee-hugging gas tank, and hornet-shaped seat make it look like a restored vintage racer. Details like the lowered clip-on handle. Triumph has officially unveiled the all-new Thruxton 400, a cafe racer-styled addition to its expanding 400 cubic centimeters lineup. Currently exclusive to the Indian market, the new model is expected to appear in global markets soon, possibly following a grand reveal at the upcoming EICMA show in Milan later this year. The Thruxton 400 joins Triumph's growing 400 series, which already includes the Speed 400 and Scrambler 400 models. Designed to bring vintage flair to the A2 license-friendly segment, the Thruxton 400 stands out with its clip-on handlebars, sculpted fuel tank, bullet seat cowl, and throwback styling that captures the essence of classic cafe races. It shares the same 398 cubic centimeters TR series single-cylinder engine as its siblings, but with a unique engine tune aimed at delivering a more exhilarating top-end performance. While the bore, stroke, and displacement remain the same, Triumph claims the Thruxton 400 produces 41.4 brake horsepower, slightly more than the Scrambler 400X. Peak torque remains unchanged, suggesting that tweaks to the ECU, intake, or exhaust systems are responsible for the improved power output. These adjustments help the Thruxton deliver a sportier and more engaging ride. Visually and structurally, the Thruxton 400 differentiates itself with additional bodywork, contributing to a slightly heavier wet weight of 183 kilograms, compared to the Speed 400's 179 kilograms. However, the added weight is justified by the cafe racer aesthetic and components that help it stand apart from its platform mates in both design and purpose. In India, the Thruxton 400 is priced at $274,137, approximately £2,300, making it more expensive than the Speed 400 and Scrambler 400X, but slightly below the India-only Scrambler 400XC. If and when it arrives in Europe, it's likely to sit at the top of the TR series price bracket, catering to riders who seek both style and performance in a compact package. The model will be available in 4 distinct color schemes: lava red and aluminium silver, phantom black and